Every now and again, I'll get a phone call. Somebody will call asking about carpet cleaning, and they'll tell me that they got it cleaned 4 months ago. And they lay the question on me. Why does my carpet get dirty so quick after having it cleaned? And of course, they're calling me, a different company, and asking this question because they're so unsure of the last company. And there's a few answers. The first, you're probably paying more attention to it. You're looking at the carpet more now because you've invested your time, your money, and you've had a guy come out and work on it, clean it up for you. So you're paying more attention to it. Maybe not, right? Well, the second one, you might have had a change of environment at the house. Maybe you've got a new pet. Maybe your kids have friends coming over more often. Or maybe they've been playing out in the yard a little bit more than usual. Just things to consider. But the most probable cause is the previous cleaner is leaving a residue in your carpet. Unfortunately, it's not a sticky residue like you spilled soda on your desk and now it's tacky. It's a residue that's just strong enough to hold the dirt from your vacuum sucking it up, Of course, here at Spotless Flooring, we do a lot to prevent any residues from being left in your carpet. We want it to stay cleaner as long as it can. So first, we only use the necessary amount of cleaning products. We don't ever overuse or abuse any cleaning products that we have. In fact, a lot of the things that we have, we cut by almost half. That means there's a lot less soap going in your carpet, and that means it rinses out a lot easier. Also, we use hot water extraction or steam cleaning, same thing. And this is going to help rinse out all those soaps and residues. It uses high temperature water, high flowing water, and a very powerful vacuum to suck all the contaminants out. The third thing, very important, we use a rinsing agent. And this is much like with your dishwasher and your dishes. You have a rinse aid or a rinsing agent. And it helps to remove those soaps from the carpet and leave it more clean, more pure of any contaminants, whether it be soap, dirt, soils, oils, whatever. The other thing that it does, and I like this, is it preps the carpet better for carpet protector, making any carpet protector that we apply after the cleaning, it makes that more effective. So we're doing multiple things, and all of these things come from being educated. When we try to stay on top of the industry and learn everything that we can, and it seems to go pretty far. So I hope that answers the question of why does my carpet get dirty so quick after carpet cleaning? Well, with Spotless Flooring, we do everything we can to prevent exactly that from happening. Thanks for watching. If you have any recommendations, maybe something else that you've considered that we haven't, drop it in the comments below. I'll be happy to learn something new.